Do you want to know if Reward XP is really one of the highest paying get paid to sites, and do you want to see payment proof? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different get paid to sites, and I've also talked about Reward XP before, but there's been quite a few updates and changes since, so I decided to record this updated Reward XP review where I'll give you an inside look and talk about exactly what it currently offers and how much you can earn, so you can find out if it's the right opportunity for you or not. I will also show you a $100 payment proof and talk about the overall earning potential, so you have all the information you need to decide whether you should join or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Reward XP is available more or less in all countries, and it is of course free to join. You just go to the website, and I also do have an invitation link that will actually give you a 5,000 points joining bonus if you join through it. I'll leave that below, but you can go for that later. First, please listen to everything I have to say here so you know if it's for you or not. But you just go to the website and you can see you can then sign in with Google account or with a Facebook account. So it's very fast and easy to sign up. So let me now then jump inside, and then we can take a closer look at how you can get paid. I'll show payment proof, and we'll look into all the earning opportunities it offers. So I have now logged into Reward XP, and let's just jump straight to the payment proof so you can see that it actually does pay before we then talk about how you can earn and how much you can overall earn. So you can see these are the XP that I currently have, and let me just reveal right away that this has taken a long time because I've used Reward XP for a long time. So I've just let it build up. Usually I don't necessarily recommend letting it build up earnings that much on get paid to sites, but in this case I've just let it build up there. We'll talk about the full earning potential and how long it takes and all that later. For now, let's focus on how you can redeem there. So I would click here, and then you can see the payout options, and this has changed quite a bit since I first joined it, and I really do like the current options here. You can see you can get paid in cash, for example via PayPal or prepaid MasterCard. They have some good gift cards, and they also have cryptocurrencies. And what I, for example, like if we're talking Coinbase or crypto voucher here, is that it's not just for Bitcoin. You can get a lot of different cryptocurrencies that usually can be hard to find get paid to sites that offer certain specific cryptocurrencies that you can also get through these. So I really do like that. So if you like getting paid in crypto, then that can definitely also be an option. Exactly how much you need to earn to get paid, that will depend on your chosen method, but the lowest is $5, and that's for most of the rewards. It doesn't really necessarily take long to earn $5 here. So then once you do it, it also processes the payments quite quickly. But for this video here, I will then show you how to get paid via PayPal, because many have asked for a PayPal cash payment proof. So I will then just choose PayPal, and then already it has showed my email address. Of course I blurred that out, and that's the one that you have used to register on Reward XP. So you just need to be aware that that's the one that you also need to have connected to your PayPal account. Then I can choose here the size I want, and I want $100, and you can see usually that would be 1 million XP points there. They call it XP, but because of my membership level, which we will talk about later, then you can see I actually have to pay quite a bit less. So you get a better value for your points when you get a higher membership level, and also if I wait to take out until I've earned a little bit more. So I'll choose here $100, and then all I need to do is to just click to claim the reward, and that's it. You see here, allow up to 24 hours for them to process your request, and then the money will go into your account. So it's super easy and fast to do. And I will also leave a screenshot here of the email I get from PayPal, so you can see that it did go into my account. I will also there write exactly how long it took. So as you can see, Reward XP definitely does pay, and let's now then go over how you can earn and how much you can earn. So to earn, if you are logged in on a computer, then it's the left side here. You can see I just click here to earn to get an overview, and here you can see all of the options. You can sort it by surveys. I can sort it by paid offers like the offer walls, or I can go for the ones that offers me to earn by watching videos. So they make it quite easy for you to focus on the ones that you prefer. And as you can see, for example, with the surveys, they have quite a few survey providers, so there's a lot of paid service available. They also have their own survey router here, exclusive survey gateway there, so you can see that. You need a certain membership level to get access to that. Again, we'll talk about the membership levels later, but overall it has a lot of paid service. You will of course not qualify for all of them. That's how it is on any site where you can take paid service, but I will say that the rewards you get for the service here are quite decent and definitely above average compared to many other get paid to sites in my experience. And the same goes for the paid offers. It has quite a lot of overalls. It's added more since I first actually started using it. And here you also get quite good rewards for the different offers you can find. You just choose like any offer wall. Basically, it opens up and then you can choose the offers, see which ones you want. You need to click it, make sure you read exactly what the requirements are. For example, here you need to complete level 16 within 30 days after installing, and then you'll get it. And of course, new users only. That's how it is for all these gaming offers, or some of the offers are also like signing up for free trials or different things. But some of the rewards can definitely be quite good if you just choose wisely. And also they have these videos here. Here you can click, you can open up a new screen you'll be taken to and watch the different videos about different topics. You can see here, but what you just need to be aware of, this can be entertaining, but it will not earn you a lot. It will only earn you like a few extra points here and there. As you can see here, you need to actually watch the ads that are like shown either before, during, or after the different videos, but it will definitely take some patience to earn. It's the least effective way to earn on most get paid to site, but on Reward XP, in my experience, and I've compared a lot of these get paid to sites and how to earn by watching videos, and it does actually give a little bit more than most other get paid to sites, but still not a super effective way to earn, but it can be an entertaining and fun way. So there are more ways to earn. If you go again to the menu, you can see there's something called Explore. And these are actually some of the same offers you can say that you can find on the offer walls. Here it's just sorted a little bit different. So for example, you can find the games. So if you're just interested in earning by playing games, you can easily sort that there, and you can say like, okay, I want to do it for Android devices. Which options are there? Which are there for iOS devices? Which are there for a computer there? So you can see it makes it very easy to filter it. The same with apps there, or sign-ups. You can see if there are any, but in general it's a good place to find, especially the games, if that's what you're interested in. But you can also just find a lot of them on the offer walls. This is just a different access to them that can give a better overview in some cases. So another thing you can do on Reward XP is to go to this engage section, and then you can connect to Discord. You can see you can even earn an extra reward for that. Also, they sometimes do have giveaways there, and also you can see featured offers. You can find country specific channels. You can also interact with members from your own country. So this can also be a way to make it kind of into a community to get some more earning opportunities also, if you like using Discord. And overall, there's also one more way where you can actually boost your earnings. So let's go over these membership levels now that I mentioned a few times. So you can see just below where your points are showing, there's something that says diamond, and this is my current membership level because I've been a member for a long time. I've used it quite a lot, and as you can see, there are different benefits for the different membership levels. So for example here, just when you've earned like 250,000 points, for example, it sounds like a lot, but it's basically just like $25. Then you will move to silver, and then you, for example, get the benefit of these XRP service, which is their own survey routers there. You can see if you reach bronze level, you will get access to Discord, where you can do the participate in the giveaways, and then it has different benefits depending on your membership level. You see, for example, this reward discount, that's what I talked about when I showed you how to redeem that. I currently get a 6% discount, so that means like you get the rewards cheaper and cheaper the more active you are, right? And you can also see these like referral bonus will increase their pending credit, so that means like how long does it take before you will actually be able to redeem the earnings you have there. So when you reach the highest level, that of course also requires quite a bit of earnings, then you have the highest benefits, which is definitely great to have. But of course that also does take some time to reach, and speaking of that, let's talk about how much you can overall earn. So I know I will now be asked a lot how long it has taken me to earn $100 and how fast you can potentially earn it. And I just want to say, as I always do with Get Paid to Site, that I cannot give an exact answer for that because it really depends on especially the country you live in and of course the time and effort you put into it and the specific offers you take. If you take some of the higher paying offers, gaming offers or other offers, you can see some of them can actually pay you, like 20, 50. Sometimes there's some that pay more than $100 for certain offers. Yes, they do take some time and effort, but if you complete that one day, you can see, then you can very quickly earn something. But in general, I would say that it does pay very well for a Get Paid to Site compared to many other Get Paid to Sites that I have tested. And also you can earn more if you invite other people. And just to be completely transparent, some of my earnings, yes, that is also because I have made content about reward XP before, and some people want to support me and they also want to get the joining bonus you can get when you join through an invitation link. So some of my earnings are definitely also from that. But overall, I would say, like in some countries, you can have days where you can earn $10, $15 and sometimes even more if you complete one of the higher paying offers. In other countries, you will struggle to earn $1, $2 per day. So it really depends a lot on, of course, your country and how you participate in here. What do you participate in? But it's not something that will make you rich or full-time income, of course, but it can be a quite good way to make some extra money on the side. So to sum it all up, Reward XP definitely is legit. I have used it for years and been paid by it many times, and you can see that it does actually pay and it processes the payments quite quickly. It is easy to use, the rewards are quite high compared to many other Get Paid to Sites, and it has great payout methods in my opinion also, and you only have to earn $5 to be able to take your earnings out. So overall, definitely a great Get Paid to Site. And you can also get a 5,000 points, meaning like a 50-cent joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. I will leave my invitation link below so you can use that there if you decide to join. If you want to read more about it, I also do have a full written review if you prefer that, so I'll also leave a link to that below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.